An American RV legend has just changed hands, and the RV community is buzzing. Lance Camper, a name synonymous with top-tier truck campers and travel trailers for decades, has officially been sold to a relatively unknown new owner called Vision Core. But who is this company? Why is it so hard to find any real info about them? And what does this mean for the future of one of America's most beloved RV manufacturers? Until June 26, 2025, Lance Camper was part of the REV Group, a conglomerate known for its wide reach across the recreational vehicle, commercial, and emergency vehicle industries. REV acquired Lance back in 2018 and made some serious investments to grow the brand, expanding production capabilities, improving automation, and enhancing product quality. Under REV's leadership, Lance retained its cult-like following while stepping up in terms of efficiency and output. But now, it's all changing. Enter Vision Core, a company so new and elusive it doesn't even have a fully operating website yet. The lack of public presence has sparked speculation and concern among Lance loyalists. Why would a legacy RV builder be sold to a company no one's heard of? Digging deeper, we learn that Vision Core is led by Bill Rex, a seasoned veteran in the RV and transportation sectors. Rex is best known for founding Rexhaul Industries, a respected motorhome builder that operated from 1986 until it filed for bankruptcy in 2009. He also held leadership roles at Thor West and BYD Coach and Bus, so this is far from his first rodeo. In a press release, Rex said, "Lance has long been a brand I've respected and admired. To now help lead its next phase of growth is a tremendous honor." His focus? Smart design, strong dealer relationships, and consistent quality, with a renewed operational focus to carry Lance into the future. So, while the mystery around Vision Core might make some uneasy, Rex's track record is reassuring. This could very well be the next big chapter in Lance Camper's story. Why did REV Group let Lance go? According to REV's recreational vehicle segment president, Gary Gunther, the company wants to focus on motorized motorhomes and RVs, rather than towable options like Lance's travel trailers and truck campers. Essentially, Lance didn't fit into their long-term strategic goals anymore. But this doesn't mean the brand is going anywhere. In fact, the Lancaster, California facility, the birthplace of all Lance campers, will continue production uninterrupted. No staff layoffs, no immediate relocations, business as usual with the potential for exciting innovations on the horizon. And there's room for growth. While Lance already builds some of the most rugged and feature-packed campers on the market, fans wouldn't mind some updates. Perhaps lighter composite materials, freshened up interior designs, or even enhanced tech integration. What makes Lance unique is its unmatched ability to blend rugged durability with comfort and innovation. Their truck campers, some with slide-outs, full kitchens, bedrooms, and even bathrooms, are built to thrive in any environment. Their travel trailers follow the same design philosophy, offering high-end living in compact, towable formats. As it stands, it seems Lance Camper's future is in good hands, guided by a veteran leader with the right experience and vision. And for fans of the brand, there's more reason for optimism than concern. So, is this the end of Lance as we know it? Not quite. It could just be the beginning of a new golden era.